Back channel. So we have a problem we need to fix before we put this motor back in. Stay tuned. So the problem I got with this, when I pulled it out, I went ahead and, checked the valves, checked all this shit in there. Let's see if I can get some good light. I probably won't be able to get any good light, but the valves and shit look good on this side. But then when I flip it to the exhaust side, I'll probably have to get a light for you guys. But in there is a problem. So let me grab the light and I'll go ahead and show you guys. This is the intake side again. As you can see, you got the valves and then you got the valve keepers right there, okay? They all look pretty good. Intake side looks pretty good. So let's move on to the exhaust side. So the exhaust side, as you can see, they're definitely dirty, of course, expected to be. That's what it should look like. The valve guide should look like. Let me get a better picture. Right there. Now move over to this one. As you can see, that valve guide has got a chunk taken out of it. Maybe that was the reason why I was having issues with it cutting out about 6,000-7,000 RPMs. That could be the issue. I'm thinking that's what it is. It's only 2 of them, but of course we're gonna go ahead and let me see which 2 it is. Yeah, so I got one right there. You can barely see it. So yeah, so I got 2 that are busted up. So yeah, we're gonna have to rebuild this head. I guess it's a good thing and it's a bad thing. It's a good thing because this head's gonna be refreshed. It's gonna have SuperTech springs. We're gonna put some new valves in it. We're gonna go ahead and touch up on all the timing stuff. So it's a good thing because all the dot stuff will get touched up. The bad thing is that's more money. So more money I gotta put in, more time I gotta put on it, and hopefully be able to hit race season around February. We'll see. I will try to crunch as good as I can and do it. So yeah, this head's gonna be, we're gonna take it and rebuild it, put everything brand new. We'll go ahead and run the stock cams. No point in upgrading right now. We can upgrade later. So we'll go ahead and run the stock cams and then we'll just upgrade all the valve train for it. Yeah, so kind of sucks, but I will go ahead and do videos on tearing this thing down. What I'm going to probably do is take the head off, take all the timing stuff off, of course. Probably take the block and have it took to the machine shop. I don't know if we're going to redo the bottom block. It depends on the money. I mean, I could dump the money into it and do it and have it fresh, but I know I won't be done by race season because the money ain't coming in that quick. So what we're gonna do is most likely just keep the bottom block the way it is, take it to the machine shop, have it cleaned up, have it redecked, and then I will go ahead and do the head myself because I want to save money on that, and I got a pretty good idea on how to do it. So it's pretty straightforward. But the bottom of the block I really don't know how to disassemble yet, but we'll go ahead and have that decked and hot tanked and all that stuff to make it all cleaned up. And yeah, so that's the issue. We're gonna go ahead and address that, get that fixed since it's out, and then we'll go ahead, like I said, all new timing stuff, and that'll be that. So yeah, good news but bad news. Bad news is more money. Good news is, hey, get a brand new head going on here, or a brand new rebuilt head. Be able to rev up to 95,000 RPMs, which is always good. And that's that. So stay tuned for those videos. I got a lot of content coming. I'll be uploading whenever I get the video done. I'll upload it. I'm not gonna wait for weekends or nothing. As soon as I get it done, I'll edit it, chop it up, throw it up, and so everybody can watch, just keep the progress. So yeah, so that will, just a little short video, so that'll conclude this. So yeah, time to put some head work on this. All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and KL Dan. I'll catch you on the next one.